The TONOR TC-777 microphone is the best choice for entry-level desktop mic. It's a high-cost performance, complete accessories, suitable for gamers, live broadcast, but also suitable for home use. Here are some pros and cons of the TONOR TC-777. Pros: complete accessories, good sound quality, enough for daily use, compact size and good appearance, high cost performance, only $39 for a complete mix set, good compatibility, plug and play, perfect compatibility with Windows, Apple macOS and Linux. Cons: the cable is not long, about 1.5 meters. Cheaper stand on stable is unable to pull microphone near to mouth. The sound quality is good, but there will be a slight noise floor at high volume.